Keep your team at the forefront by partnering with Skillable, the pioneer in virtual labs for cloud and technology skilling. Whether you want to introduce hands-on skilling to your learners or amplify your existing programs, Skillable's full-stack lab platform provides you with the tools that enable your learners to develop real skills in a real environment. In this video, you will discover what hands-on labs with Skillable looks like from start to finish. We will begin by starting up a lab. Once the lab is started, you can see the lab instructions on the right side of the screen and the hands-on interface on the left side. The instructions are extremely flexible and may be structured by the lab author in a variety of instructional design methods. For example, traditional step-by-step, challenge-centric, or exam style. Additionally, custom formatting can be applied to aid the user in various ways, like automatic type text and hints. It also includes a resources page, where resources, such as login credentials for completing the lab, are located. It is important to use the provided resources for the lab to function correctly. In the Help section, you can get immediate support if any lab issues arise. Further settings and information, such as connection meter strength, pinning and unpinning, developer settings, display options, and commands, are shown in the top bar. As you move through the lab, there is nearly limitless variety of potential tasks and assignments for you to work through. In addition to completing tasks within the hands-on interface, you can also answer questions in the instructions pane itself to test my knowledge. Once you have completed all the lab content, you end the lab. Since this lab is not scored, you will not receive a grade and can exit. See why customers around the world choose Skillable as their partner for their skilling programs.